We can see the movement yesterday, and the price has made a reversal candle, which means the bearish candle I have mentioned yesterday, which was the bearish breakout below this area of support, has been invalidated in a pretty strong move, which is also a bullish engulfing candle, bullish breakout about two of these resistance levels. First one 4356 and second one is 4435. The price managed to reach the next area of resistance around 4500 and even going further up, and we can see that how this has looked yesterday. On the 4-hour time frame, it is much more clear picture how it was done. The price could not manage to go below this area of support, which I have also mentioned that is very important. The price has returned back up, making a small bullish candle going above the open and close of these 4-hour time frame candles, indicating a small bullish momentum, but it was not a pretty good signal and also pretty not clear information that this is a bullish breakout that will continue to rise in value. But the second was a second candle after that, it was pretty good one. The price has gone all the way up, going above this area of resistance, which was the fourth time the price has made a bullish attempt, and it has made a bullish breakout. We can see that first, second, and also the third time the price has reached it before, and the price continued to rise in value after that bullish breakout, where the price has stopped just here around 4506.57, a 4-hour time frame resistance level. Now, where the price could go? Well, based on this one, what I can see, the price is it is currently in strong move, and it has made a bullish breakout where the price is currently reached around 4523, a price level where there is a space for the price to go even further up and reaching, and first of all, an area of resistance around 4543. The next one as a resistance level will be around this area 4563, which is a daily resistance level, but also this price level will potentially be reached only quickly and then returning back down as a small retrace. And also bulls who have pushed the price all the way from here to the here, it will go out, they will go out, and this will also trigger a little bit sell-off. Now, how the price will behave? Currently the price is at the resistance level on the 4-hour time frame. We can see the second candle has been a bearish candle. First of all, just a minute, if we go in the past, we will see how the price has behaved around this area of resistance when the price was reaching that resistance level. In the first attempt, especially this was the first case when the price was reaching higher price levels, the price has stopped just here at the resistance level, returned back down, and then it continued to rise in value, which means this was a bullish breakout, returned back down and confirmed it as a bullish, as a support level, and then the price gone up. Then the price reversed back down. We can see that it was a bearish candle where the price had problems going further down. The price, let me zoom in a little bit, it will be easier to understand what I am talking about. The price level is currently 4506. Here it is. Now we can see the price has managed to go up. It has found here a small support level and then going up, then returning back down. We can see making a bearish breakout with this candle, then returning back up, just confirming this bearish breakout as valid one, going further down, then returning back up, could not manage to go above this area of resistance. We can see that clearly it is a pretty strong one, then the price going down. So for me, this is very important information that I need to move this line a little bit down, because the price is respecting this level. It is respecting this area of support and resistance. This is the support, this is the support, this is the resistance here. So it's very important to adapt this to the market conditions. Now, if I go back and see how this looks right now, okay, just a minute, I need to indicator, okay, just to automatically move this rectangle. It is around this area of this line. Now what we can see, the price has managed to make a bullish breakout going above this area of resistance, going down, and it is just stopped at the support level, going slightly down. But we can see based on these two candles, these two white candles, this means this open and close is where the price of confluence between the buyers and sellers are, which means this is a support level currently, which is much more valid than this one where I put this line here. So I'm reading this one as a support level where the price has stopped and it will bounce back up. which means this is not a bearish breakout with this bearish candle. It is just returning back down, confirmed a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. Now it's continuing to rise in value. Now, based on this one, just a minute, I could also move slightly down this one and put it right here where the open and close price levels is, but this needs to be verified in the future. I have put this line at this position because based on the past. Now, each time when this happens, you need to adapt to the market conditions. In the future, if the price respects this level here, between this level right here, which is 4486, I will move this line as a support and resistance down instead of leaving this line right here, because I will adapt to the market conditions where the new price is respecting this level, not the old one. So for now, what I can see, the price has reached this area of resistance, making a bullish breakout, returning back down, confirming as the valid one, and now I'm expecting the price will try to reach higher price levels. And the next one is 4563. Now, if I go in the past on this one and see how the price has behaved around this one on the 4-hour time frame, we will see that 4653 in the past, when the price has made a bullish breakout here around this area, in the past, the price has reached easily this area of resistance. We can see with a wick. In the next attempt, the price also reached this area. We can see that here. In the next attempt, when the price was reaching high price levels, making a bullish breakout above this area of support, the price has reached this level. So I'm expecting the price on the 4-hour time frame will reach this area of resistance, potentially also today, and we will see how the price will bounce from this area, or it will make a bullish breakout. Everything is possible because we can see a strong bullish candle that has been created yesterday has made 2 bullish breakouts easily. So if there is strong momentum on the market, it will push the price up. So also, just for information, if you would like to join with me to the same broker I am using, Ultimo Markets, you can find the link below and join with me so we can discuss more details about trading in live, on the live account where the trades should be open and stop loss and take profit levels. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.